Platform 13 for the 1300 morning service to Manchester.
Hello, welcome to my channel, On Track with Illy. And today I am at Manchester Piccadilly, delivering my new favourite number, 323208, working the 1303 Northern Service to Adfield. So as you've seen in the first clip, that was 323202 and 223 that was working from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport. Over here is 195121 working the 1300 Northern Service to Manchester Airport. The 323 were going to Blackpool North from Manchester Airport. So yeah. Over there's 39117, going to be working the 1314 service to London Euston. Okay, this service should be ready to go now. There goes 221131, working the 1303 cross country service to Bristol Temple Mead. One and 5121. Lovely. So you're going to be seen by Northern, Transpennine Express, Cross Country, East Midlands, Transport for Wales, Avanti West Coast, and you're going to be seeing 2 flights at this hour. So yeah, so sit back and relax and enjoy this video, guys. Let's see what else shall turn up at Manchester Piccadilly. We've got 150 also coming in from, it's either coming in from Rosehill Marple or something. I'll get you the numbers off it in a sec.
Platform 14 for the 1307.
And also arriving now is going to be the 1307 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Line Street. 150 103, 150 102 is doing the Northern.
And Liverpool Line Street. This train is formed of 6 coaches.
One 149 and Huru Paragon 185 113 on the rear. And also now arriving is the Northern service to Manchester Airport by 331015 is bringing in the front. We've got a Pendolino coming from London Euston. We've got an Avanti West Coast Class 390 Pendolino from London Euston. This is my Avanti buddy, 39138. Let's get this. Oh, here we have 323239. Okay, now this Northern's gonna get ready to go. 331 323 was working the 1306 Northern service to Crewe. It's nice to see 323 in the lovely, gorgeous yellow livery on it. B network livery. Behind me is the third departing. Behind me is 185, 149 and 113 working the 1307 Transpennine Express service to Liverpool Line Street and Clayforms. This one, the back doors are still open, but this one is not yet fully. It's not yet fully able to go yet. I'll get back to you when this one gets ready to go. Okay, this is gonna get ready to go now. 331 On the res 51018. Now leaving as far as 156441, working the 1310 Northern service to Chester. And now passing by is going to be a DRS Class 88 going from Daventry to Trafford Park. Worked by 88010 Aurora doing this one. Record. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Anyways, this 185. Don't know if it's fully closed. Get back to you when it leaves. Okay, 185124. It's only 3 carriages. Yes! We make it on time. 185124. We made it on time before the Piccadilly.
Yes. Because you need to go by car.
Okay, the party now is going to be 39117, working the 1314 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston.
Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, Rotherham, and Portsmouth. This train is full of
Blue Peter. Three 117, working the 1314 to London Euston. Okay, arriving now is going to be a Northern Class 156. It's going to be coming in. It's going to be coming in here. One 412 is doing this one. And over here is 51019, working the 1318 Northern service to Manchester Airport. And our arriving two is going to be the 1321 Transpennine Express service to Glasgow Central, I want to say. Yes. Three 9711, doing a nice track noise as well. Very glad I decided to record that one. And also now leaving is the 1321 Northern service to Rosehill Marple, 1318 service to Newman Central, 15102 is doing this one. And 51019 is going to get ready to go now. It's the 1318 to Manchester Airport. Nice home for the driver, thank you very much. And on the res, 51023 is on the res. Okay, the party now is going to be the 1320 Northern service to Hazel Grove. 150, 128. Okay, now arriving, gonna have two services. The first is gonna be a 156 on a far platform, and then the second is a 323, which is 323 235. I believe it is. This one is 156 469. 466, sorry. And the northern 323 is indeed 235. And I'm departing behind the Avanti is going to be the 1325 cross-country service to Bournemouth. Should see any minute now. Okay, here we go. There we are. This is 221 126. I want to say that is. No, that has to be 22 or 128. There's a 397 with the 1328 to Manchester Airport. Numbers of which I'll get it when it departs. So this one is 397,009 doing this one. There's a Pendolino coming back. I'll try my best recording it. Oh, there's 195,119 arriving. Oh, it's Allison. 39115. Allison. It's Allison. 39115. I might as well record this one. Oh, hey, we have 323236. The 397,009 is going to get ready to go. I would have run it there, but I don't have time because it's leaving. You know, 799. You got 323 come. Okay, right now is going to be the 1333 Northern Service to Blackpool North. Worked by a pair of 323s. 323 219 is bringing in the front. Excellent, the West Coast coming in. We've got 221 118. It's nice seeing the red doors on 22118 just to make a good mixture on it. And now departing is 197111 working the 1330 Transport for Wales service to Pembroke Dock. Okay, past that, but now it's going to be 66207 working for L56 from Trafford Park to London Gateway. It's going extremely slowly. I think the last time I seen 66207 was at Heaton Norris. It's been the last time I seen it. So here we are, 66207 again. Depending on if the strike behaves itself, we might be able to record it before the Pendolino leaves. 323 235 is leaving on the 1333 Northern Service Stratfield. Yeah, 207. And departing is 39138, working the 1334 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. City of London. Lovely, lovely. Right, it was 39138 left. 39138 left early. It left 1 minute early. So, what can you do when it leaves early? You can do nothing. Anyway, so that's 39115 still here. Time are we on? 136. Okay, the pattern is going to be 323236, working the 1336 Northern Service to Crewe. Yeah, to Crewe, yeah. I don't know why I had doubt. It is going to Crewe, 323236. And our leaving is 331 110, working the 331 101, working the 1338 Northern Service over the edge. Fifi 101. Okay, arriving now is going to be the 1337 East Midland train service to Liverpool Line Street 158862. Thank you. One 812 is on the rare. Okay, arriving now is going to be a Northern 323, whereby 323 203 doing this one. And our arriving is going to be the 1343 East Midland Railway service to Nottingham. This is whereby a very, very, very good 170s, 17271, leading the way. I did check real-time trail in this one, and I forgot the rail of it, but I did see it before. America all the time, 272 on the rare.
Yeah, most of them, they used to pass Buckhouse all the time, but I've ridden them up and down between Lydney and Cardiff.
Yes.
Arriving now to 197 119, the Mr. Erd. And over here we are 150 271. One 119, so it can be 1344 to London, no? The 150 I think is coming in from Rosemont. Okay, right, now it's going to be 323225, working the 1347 Northern Service to Manchester Airport. Okay, right, now it's 195121, working the 1350 Northern Service to Barron Furnace. And our leaving is 323227, working the 1346 Northern Service to Stoke-on-Trent. And this one's 15129. Okay, the departure now is 195119, working the 1348 Northern Service to Sheffield. Okay, arriving now is going to be the 1351 Transpennine Express service to Manchester Airport. It's 185, 135. Wow, it's stopping very far. Arriving now at the 1354 Northern Service to Liverpool Line Street, 3310818. Okay, departure now is 152.10.271, sorry, working the 1351 Northern Service to Rosenmouth. Okay, 185, 135, it's going to take away the 1351 to Manchester Airport. And here comes the Pendolino. Here comes the Pendolino. This one is Blackpool Bell, it should be. 39013. Yes, it is. Blackpool Bell. And we have a Northern 323 behind it, coming in from Hatfield, I want to say. It's 323-212. Yeah, that is coming from Hatfield. That's my baby Northern coming from Hatfield. 390-030. Okay, final train of our is going to be 39115. Working the 1355 to London Euston. Coup or Change is the name. Wow, 185112 leading and 185151. Good mixture of numbers. If I knew that there were two good mixture numbers, I would have recorded it. That's going to Record Central. Before I end this video, should we see what its Transport for Wales is? It's about to go anyway. So our final train is going to be this Transport for Wales leaving. It's going to be the 1354 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Airport. I think it's 197041, looks like. So guys, I hope you did enjoy the video. So yeah, Piccadilly has been good today. It's been good as normal. We've seen a good mixture of freight leaving now. So yeah, Piccadilly has been fine as usual. So yeah, I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna leave it there. So I'll see you later, guys. Take care, guys. Goodbye.